Should you start an LLC or corporation? Here are some things to consider. When starting a new business, there are likely hundreds of questions that you might be asking yourself, and that's okay. The concept of starting a new business can be quite daunting, and you might not even know where to start. So let's explore some of the things that you should think about before starting your first business. Your first question: why do you want to start your business? The answer to this may feel obvious. Money for some, liability protection for others, being your own boss is another, and there are many other valid reasons. Now, some people start their business because they want the freedom to chart their own destiny, or maybe you want to have more flexible family time. It is important to understand why you want to start your own business, because it may help you better understand how you want to run your business and achieve your goals. It is important to ask this question for yourself so that you have internal clarity. A second question: what kind of business type do you want to start? Now, I'm not referring do you want to have a food business or real estate business here. I'm referring to the structure of your business. If you want a straightforward business structure with minimal paperwork, an LLC could be the perfect fit for you. LLCs, or limited liability company, is a business entity type that has minimal startup costs, minimal reporting, and annual compliance requirements, and it has a very simple management structure. LLCs are a popular business entity choice in the United States, and most new business owners choose to start their business as an LLC because of the reasons I just mentioned. A third question to consider: are you going to have investors in your business? If you want to attract investors for your company, you may need to consider starting your company as a C corporation. A C corporation is the preferred business entity for investors because investors can be people or businesses, and those people and businesses can even be foreign. There is also no limit to the amount of investors you can have in a C corporation, so virtually the sky is the limit. But then a C corporation comes with additional paperwork and business obligations. You can have investors with an LLC, but this is not preferred by investors. So whether you plan to have investors in your business or not will have an impact on the type of business you consider. A fourth question: do you want your business to go public? If you plan to go public, a corporation might be the best option for you. A corporation and an LLC can technically both go public, but corporations overwhelmingly dominate the public offering market. If you believe that your business is the next big thing and that it will go public, you may want to strongly consider a corporation. Fifth question: what about taxation? If you want a simple tax structure, then consider an LLC for your new business. LLCs have pass-through taxation by default. This means that the profits or losses of your company are reported on the owner's personal tax returns, whereas a corporation pays taxes twice, first at the corporate level and again when profits are distributed to the shareholders. Taxes are inherently difficult, but generally speaking, your taxes should be less difficult with an LLC as opposed to a corporation. In conclusion, I hope that you can answer these questions before starting your new business. Why do you want to be in business? What kind of business type do you want? Are you going to have investors? Do you want to go public? How do you want to be taxed? Understanding your motivation for starting a new business and further understanding your management and tax preferences can help you better decide which direction to take your business in. There are more options beyond a C Corp and LLCs. We've only covered two popular business types here.